This is day 2 of transforming my entire property fence line from this to this. It's been over a decade since anyone's cleaned up around here, and it's time to finally do something about it. Gosh, I gotta go all the way down there. Let's get to work, baby. This is gonna be a big transformation right here. God, dude, I freaking hate this stuff, man. Anyway, I started blasting. Ow! Oh, dude, this is terrible, man. God. Oh, all these are thorns. Ow! Take it easy. Yes, screw you, bro. No. Okay, bet. I found a bird's nest. No birds in it, though. Holy thorns, bruh. God bless. You're getting a POV, because if I die from these thorns, you're dying with me. Oh my gosh. Oh, dude. Oh, hang on. Oh, bet. Here we go. Help me. Oh, heck yeah. Good job, buddy. I might do something pretty stupid here. Yeah! Yeah! Time marches on. That is the pile I just made. I don't know how you landscapers do this every single day, but it is so hard.